Everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Touch espresso machine. It comes to us with an error code. When I test the machine, it was the thermal sensor. It is this one. It comes like now it's a part. This and that. It's like this one here. And here's another part of it, and this one. It was like this is common, keep happening. One of these wires, these two wires usually, it's connected to here, to this area here, and look how that tiny thing, it's one of them like keep getting broken. It's fragile part actually. This is common like happening, and this is another part of it. And so I just replace it with the new one. Where is that? And let's go ahead and test the machine. Actually, I don't like to. Yeah, it's a selected drink. I don't like to change the calibration that the customers like prefer, or always like most time if they didn't ask to calibrate, I leave it as they calibrated and as they like it. Yeah, it comes without the tamper. That's why I'm using our tamper. Of course, I did clean it up, that brew head, and back flush it. So yeah, they calibrated on 30 seconds for the double shot. Here you go. That looks really beautiful shot. Thick cream on it and tasty. So let's test the steamer. It's cleaning itself. But you need to make sure like to keep this part here dry and deal with it with careful because it's really fragile. Let's test the steamer again and do a manual to keep it away from the it's really hot and fast. I'm using it on an empty cup. Let's test the hot water. It's cleaning itself. And the hot water. works perfect. Thank you for watching.